Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green. And coming up in this episode, we've got, as a patient of mine, we've got a very deep kind of skin peel on this one. It's quite satisfying, this one. Now this ear is the one that I just mentioned is what I'm on about, is the skin peel. Can't talk properly. Now this, as you can see, the patient wasn't actually having any problems with this one. It was the other side that they actually booked the appointment for. So I thought, oh yeah, there's a little bit in there. I said, I'll take that out. This shouldn't be a problem. It's a little bit dry, but we should be able to get it away okay. And I wish I never said anything, to be honest with you.
Jinxed yourself with it.
I did, yes. We take this little bit away here. Now what you'll see in a sec, there's a very, very, well, you can't really see it because it's on the roof of the ear canal. But as we start to take this sort of small piece away here, you can see it, like it's quite stretchy, very, very dry. But it's as I'm trying to pull it away, it's just slowly just going further and further down the ear canal. So I thought, oh, here we go.
I can see you were trying to pull from the top there to bring it down.
Yeah, just to try and, I was trying to shear it away basically. I didn't want it to go like sort of too far in the ear. So not really getting anywhere here at the moment. It's so dry. Patient didn't actually use any drops in this side. I want to say it was the both sides possibly.
Wow,
I think the patient actually said she ran out of oil by the time she got to this one. So,
gosh, that's going a fair way, isn't it?
It's going quite far in, so we are going to put a little bit of oil in a second. I think it's at the point they start bringing down the top part. You see, it's literally the whole cast of the ear canal is starting to come away.
Peeling down to their boots now, isn't it? Look at that.
So there we are. We've popped a bit of oil in here now just to get underneath and around that skin, because what that generally tends to do is it peels away easier, and more comfortably for the patient as well. So just trying to get a good suction grip here. It's so dry, I'm not actually getting any grip. So you can see it's starting to come into the suction tube now.
That's still peeling as well.
It's still going. There we are. So that's coming away nicely there. There is more.
Wow, fair play. Gosh.
Is there more?
Because that looked like nothing at the start, didn't it? It just literally looked like a little ring of dried skin.
I'd say the patient wasn't really having any problems with, a lot of the time you won't. If there's nothing, blocking up the eardrum, nothing in front of it, patient generally doesn't have any issues. With this sort of like dry skin, you generally tend to get a bit of itching in there. So yeah, it's come away quite nicely. So luckily that did come away okay. So we can see the eardrum on this side as well. Now this is the one the patient felt more, not blocked up, but felt there was something in there. And you can see it because it's quite not a wide piece of wax, but it's again quite dry. A portion of this is technically quite free, so this would have been moving around and tickling away at those hairs inside the ear. So patient was feeling like there was something not quite right.
I suppose with jaw movement, because it's flat as well, it would have been butted up against the side of the canal wall, wouldn't it?
You've got it. So we've got a very similar story here. I remember now, sorry, this is the patient that actually didn't use any oil at all. I was thinking of a different patient that I did yesterday. Right. This is not the patient I was thinking it was. I did one very, very similar yesterday.
We seem to have a lot of skin peels on me recently, and there's these kind of issues, these particular ones where they go a long way down the ear canal.
So, yeah, we popped a little bit of oil in this one as well. Not too much, just enough to start kind of seeping underneath this. So hopefully, if we can get a good enough grip and give it a little bit of a wiggle.
Wow. These are either going to come out really easily or they're going to fight you every inch of the way. There's no kind of happy medium with these, is there?
That's it.
Well, that doesn't look like it wants to budge.
Do you know, I want to say, if I can remember this one, I want to say actually use a pair of forceps at some point. Yeah? I think.
It'd probably be a good call looking at that, wouldn't it?
I'm just saying what I would, looking back at this now, what I probably would have done. It's coming, but very, very slow. We're not getting far at all here. This is the fine end on here now, just so I was trying to bunch up the skin inside the suction tube to get a better grip, but you can see any time I'm trying to pull on it, it's not really doing much.
It's a little bit more awkward with that harder piece sitting over the top as well, isn't it? Because you can't get that lift you'd want to get with it.
That's it.
Doesn't really go.
Yeah, we're obviously not getting anywhere.
Wow,
Come on.
That does not want to budge.
So the oil is actually, you know, it is helping. You can see we've managed to peel quite far down the ear canal there. So I'm just going to give this a gentle little pull here now.
Is it going to tear though?
Yeah.
That's the thing, isn't it? Does it tear? Oh no, actually, well, that pulled a lot out.
Yeah.
That pulled a lot out,
So
more than
far.
I expected it to come out. So
There we go. Still coming.
yeah. God, you can see just how
This is
hard
that.
that was.
Yeah, this is that hard bit there now. So that's that big hard bit. I didn't hold in front of the ear. I am still learning. I'm still sorry. I'm
Taylor
sorry.
Green.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just put a picture of me up on my.
Can we put some words of encouragement for Taylor Green to start into the comment section? Because he don't listen to me. I tell him he don't listen to me. You guys tell him.
I'm sorry. Yeah, so not a great deal. We got what, 2 centimeters.
3/4 of an inch on that one, guys. That is. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching our video again today. And me and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green will see you for the next video. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And we'll see you again real soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye.